Hi there, this is Paolo with Bark. You're probably watching this video because you already ordered a Bark phone, unboxed it, and are looking to set it up for your kids. I'm here to help you with that first-time activation of the Bark phone, so let's get started. The Bark phone box you received in the mail looks like this. It comes with the phone, the Bark SIM card pre-inserted, and a USB-C charging cable. If the phone arrived with a low charge, go ahead and plug it in while we work on setting it up. Then turn on the phone by holding the side button found near the volume buttons. You'll know you turned it on when you see the Samsung logo in the boot up. Eventually you'll land here, the default Samsung home screen. Wait a few minutes for the phone to settle in though. It's going to be installing needed updates during that first boot up. During this time, make sure the phone is connected to mobile data and if possible Wi-Fi by sliding your finger down from the top twice. When it's blue, it's enabled. No, enable mobile data even if you're on the Wi-Fi only plan, as you'll need the mobile data setting enabled for texts and location features on the Bark phone. Eventually, a setup QR code appears on the Bark phone. Use your parent phone's camera to scan the QR code shown on the Bark phone. If you're getting an error here, check that you're logged into the Bark account used to order the phone. If you've checked that and are still getting an error, try connecting the phone to Wi-Fi and trying again. When you've successfully scanned the QR code, you're going to continue the setup on your parent phone. If you ordered the phone from bark.us directly, sign into your existing Bark account. If you've ordered the phone from a third party like Amazon.com, you may be asked if you're setting it up as a new line or as a replacement. If you bought it to replace a Bark phone, select Replacement. Otherwise, set it up as a new line and sign in to a Bark account. If you don't have one yet, you'll see options to create one. Afterwards, you'll see a prompt asking you to connect the phone to Wi-Fi. But if you don't see it, you probably already connected the phone to Wi-Fi and can move on. On the parent device, you'll be asked to set settings for the Bark phone. This will look a little bit different if you're on the starter plan because the starter plan has no app stores, game apps, etc. Just calling and texting, as well as location and contact approval features. On the advanced plans, I can choose to enable the app store or disable it. I can choose to set up contact approval or disable it. So you have a lot more customizability and data on those advanced plans. Don't worry, you can change these settings and your plan at any time. After you've set some preliminary settings for the Bark phone, you'll be asked if you want to transfer a number into it. If this is your child's first phone, don't worry, you can continue on and Bark will assign your child a number. Make sure to add what contacts you'd like to get alerted about potential issues, like another parent or guardian. After that, you'll then see your child's assigned number. You can click the copy icon to copy it to your clipboard and add it as a contact. Lastly, you'll be asked to select if your kid has additional devices and social media accounts. Depending on what you select, you'll then get a checklist of what things to set up for additional coverage of those platforms, which you'll see when you land on your dashboard. This dashboard on your parent app is going to look like this from now on. Click into the plus sign on the top right to add other kids. You get unlimited kids and unlimited devices included in your Bark Premium subscription already. You can also click on the bell icon to review alerts about potential issues found. Tap into the map to see their location. And tap into account to manage your plan. And that's it. Check out our other videos. And if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at barkphone@bark.us.